Good evening and welcome to the Upnlive show. How you doing
Hey,
today?
Rick. I'm good. Thank you for having me. Thank you for having me. I'm
We,
well.
we like the looks.
Thank
She just
you.
bright up the studio like that.
I'm trying. I'm trying. I'm trying. Coming with a
Welcome,
new style, you know?
new style.
Yes.
So for those of you watching, this is normally the first question I always ask. Could you just explain yourself and what kind of artist you are, K Melody?
I am a soulful R&B artist. Trying to bring back that 90s, R. Kelly feel, that, Aaliyah, that type of genre. That's my thing, so I'm trying to bring it back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you're more like a R&B, the lovey type, yeah. Slow going, guy.
Yeah.
I know what them ones, but I've seen you've been doing lots of things recently. You've been having creating a small little buzz for yourself.
Yeah, I have. I have. I think when I first come to your open mic, actually, was my first one last year.
Yeah.
And I hope you see the change because I was so nervous.
Yeah, she
I
was.
so
She was.
nervous.
What this? If you want to know what she's talking about, we do this thing called hashtag one mic. We take like artists like herself and we just
Yeah.
give them a platform to just express themselves and just to do what they do really.
Yeah, exactly. It's my
And
first
the
one.
hashtag one mic we had the last time was actually our first performance. Is it?
Yeah, it literally was like in a crowd, and it was, yeah. I thought, let me go for it, but
Yeah.
the nerve just got the better of me. But I'm glad I did it because when I look back at the recording, it
Yeah.
made me grow to what I'm doing now, and I'm actually singing in a live crowd, and it's not big crowds, but
Yeah.
it's something. So
But
I'm
that's
happy with
what
that.
that's what we aim to intend to do in the first place.
Exactly.
That's why, and you see, it actually
Mhm.
works.
It did, and I'm thankful too. So thank you very
So
much.
what's happening for you now, 2018?
Yeah, so basically today was my first interview I had on Hits Radio as well. So I've literally done two in one day, which I was
You going
crazy.
on well though.
I know, right? Rather than one, I just went straight in there with the two. But yeah, so I've done two today. This is my second one with you. I've done an open mic, which was on Friday. It was in a Gillips Weatherspoons in Edmonton.
Okay.
That is New Level Productions.
Yeah, I've seen the production for New
Yeah,
Level. Yeah,
exactly. So I went there first. Only heard about it on the Thursday, and I was like, do you know what? I'm gonna go.
you
First
getting
one of the
straight in.
year. Straight in. Wasn't even ready like that, but I said, you know what? I've got a little something. Let me go. And yeah, they was loving it. They was loving it. It's one of my tracks. So
Obviously,
yes.
you're a new artist. For how long have you been doing this music? Is it just like, as you said, the hashtag man mic was your first performance?
Yeah.
Were you recording stuff before that?
Yeah, well, I've literally been singing from the age of 8, to be honest with you. Like, I was used to be in a choir when I was young, and I've done
That's
the
where
whole
it
row.
starts.
Yeah, exactly. I did that whole Royal Albert Hall. So I did that when I was younger, and then I stopped, and I kind
Okay.
of just fell back for a while, and then, secondary school and how it goes and stuff,
Yeah.
and you get sidetracked. And then, yeah, I just went back on it slowly, had children and stuff, and I thought, you know what, now's the time for me to get back in it, do what I really love from when I was young. And yeah, I've been doing it for, I've been in studio about 3 years now, on and off, not constantly.
Okay.
But for the past, I would say about 9 months, I've been going hard with it.
Okay.
Yeah, trying to get in there when I can, write when I can. But I've been writing more than anything, so that's something.
It's something. It's something. It's definitely something. But
Exactly.
your style, you say, is a bit more R&B, a bit
Yeah.
more jazzy, soulful type. Is it a particular choice you had to choose, or were you grown up on that type of music? Because most artists who been influenced by the particular genre has been
Yeah.
grown up. So I'm thinking in terms of your case that you were listening to Mommy and a Sunday playing the songs like this.
Yeah, well, that as well. And I think me being an only child on my mum's side as well. So even though I'm one of 7 on my dad's side, I was always at home by myself doing my own thing. Do you know what I mean? So I was a person where I'll be listening to Lauryn Hill when you're watching Sister Act, and
Yeah.
those little things. And that was my thing. And Cisco and Drew Hill and Destiny Child. And so I would just be literally constantly listening to them. And as I got older, I just thought, you know what, that's my thing. I like to, I like soulful music that touched the heart. So I'm just hoping that my music can do the same, to be honest with you.
Who's
Yeah.
doing it for you now?
Ooh, who's in it for me now? I would say Janae has just come out with that
Shania,
track.
yeah.
She's still current, but she's doing it. Keisha Cole, I've always loved Keisha Cole from when she started back. But yeah, there's a few people. There's so much talent out there now. It's crazy.
It is.
Yeah, grime-wise as well. Like, I'm not
Yeah,
really a
'cause
grime person, but
it's
I'm
doing
seeing
it.
Steph London and Nole doing their thing. And I'm like, whoa, okay, girls. Yeah, they're stepping up. But a lot
But
of people I'm influenced by.
do you feel that the industry is now accepting the females into the business, or is it still a case where you guys are get pushed in the back burners?
No, I think much more now. Guys are accepting that, gosh, yeah, girls, I've got it too, whether it be singing or, a bit of rapping, or some of them as
Yeah.
well. Even me, I've put a few bits, I don't know if you see on Instagram, that mean just a few bars here and there. Rapping's not my thing, but I try to just, be versatile and show the crowd that I can do a bit of both when needs be. So, yeah.
What challenges do you face in terms of your music? Because you're obviously new.
Yeah.
Do you find it hard to get like production or get into studio to get recordings done? Because obviously you're a woman, and in terms of a woman, there's always this saying that the male ego always comes into play whenever the woman comes into the recording side. How do you find yourself getting around that?
I find it's a case where, you just have to put it down as hard as the man who's going to do it. We have to put it down the same way. We've got the potential to do that, strong black queen women that we are. If we just put it into, the same way we can put it into the loving into the, cooking and stuff like
That's
that.
right.
The same way we can put the love into the music. So that's really what I'm trying to do. When I'm at home, I'm doing my thing and I'm trying to multitask and stuff. I'm trying to do the same thing. So it's just, I'm still finding myself as well. So I'm trying to just try, different genres and stuff like that. So
Is there a vision for 2018?
yes, I've actually got a track that I performed at the open mic the other day called Come Together. It's about gun and knife crime. So I definitely want to push that forward, and I'm up for anyone that wants to collab or want to do visuals with me, because I want to do a video shoot for that soon. So if anyone wants to get involved in a video, helping me, any ideas you may have, I'm up for it. Because I'm learning every day, and that will be my first actual video that I'm trying to do this year. So
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out your name.
yes.
K Melody is it Keisha Melody? I'm just a random guess. Is that
No, it's actually Kanika.
Kanika?
Kanika is my actual name. For those who know me.
And then Melody is just a choice, or is it your actual last name?
It was actually a joint thing from me and my bestie actually here, Minnie in the building.
Minnie in the building.
Yeah. Representing my bestie. We were just sitting down one day and we was like, gosh, I need a name, because to be honest with you, before a few years back, it's actually Soldieress.
Okay.
Was my thing, and I went kind of hard with the Soldieress. I was adamant.
That sounds a bit more grimy though.
That's it. That is it.
Yeah.
And everyone was saying to me, that's a bit, it's not really who, it sounds a bit harsh,
It sounds
strong.
a bit hard, yeah.
Yeah, a bit strong. So I was like, okay, Kanika. I was like, no, because I want to kind of still keep my name unique, not rinse it out too much.
rinse it
It's
out.
it's a unique name,
Because that's what I saw first when we made contact.
Yes,
I saw
exactly.
Kanika, and then I saw K Melody. I'm like, what's going on here?
I'm switching it too much. I know.
But I didn't want to mention that. I tried to get let you say rather than me saying, oh, your name Kenika or your name K Melody.
I know. But now this year, literally from 2017, I've had it just the ending of, I would say, about July, and I'm sticking with it now.
Sticking with the melody.
Yeah, melody is what I do. I hope people will hear it. So with the K for Kanika and the melody, hopefully two combined, you'll get what I'm trying to say.
Okay, so for those of you watching, and how can we find Miss Melody online?
You can find me on Instagram, _K_Melody 88, on Facebook as well, and I've also got SoundCloud. So
And everything is K_Melody.
yes, everything. Actually, the SoundCloud is Kanika, Kanika Foster.
She's gonna change it soon.
But I am gonna change it. Bear with me. But I will change it soon.
Okay,
But it's easy to find actually, because the link's in my bio. So if you go onto my Instagram page, and you can just go straight into it from there.
that's right. So this is the Upnlive show, and I know you've probably seen the videos before, and you know what happens now. Yeah. So I don't need not to say anything. What we're gonna do? We get a microphone in your hand, and this is the Upnlive show. Kanika, aka Miss K Melody, is live here on the set this evening, and the stage is yours, sister.
Maybach music.
In the world of so
Yeah, it's your boy Chameleon now, also known as the Mixtape Messiah. You already know I'm doing it big on Flames.
Fresh boy on the beat.
every word I yearn to hear. Yeah, got a pass. Yeah, I've been burned. No longer bitter, yet it was a lesson learned. Now I wait through, free kings to be. And I pray to God they never have to see. Yeah.
That's why it was K Melody on set this evening. And she's actually, the melody did definitely come out. Yeah?
I'm trying. I was a bit croaky at first, but I was trying.
Yeah, but she's alright. She's alright, people. And if she's alright, right? Make sure. Remember the last word? Any last word before we go? Any last word you want to shout out to anybody before you go?
Follow me. I'm up for, collabs. I'm down. Anyone just want to hit me up. You know, I'm on social media again, _K_Melody. So please just hit me up. Show some love. I'll show some love back. And hopefully, yes, 2018 will be a good year for me. And I'll hopefully be back soon.
That's right. Hopefully, as soon as you get the materials out there, we're going to be getting you back onto the show, right? And next time, we're going to be doing it a bit earlier.
Yes. Apologies. I'm sorry. Traffic was mad, but I was sorry.
That's right, people. That was K Melody. She was here on the Upnlive show. Keep it locked. Don't move a muscle. Remember, you need to go onto the website www.worldmag. Click onto the Upnlive tab, and you can see all the previous videos that we done before. Remember, this show is sponsored by Shush Prince, also by Vast Prince, and also you can log on to the Flames website, and you can see the previous videos as well. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share. This is Upnlive. Peace.